Hi everyone, it's Joanna. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a collab with Katie17 Plans. I'll link her channel and below in the description box, and you should check it out as well because she's going to be using the same sticker set that I am, and it is a sticker set from Wendy prints, and you can see it's bee themed, and I'm using a happy planner. She is using a different planner. So you're going to see how we use these sticker sheets in different planners, and I think they're really gorgeous stickers, really good quality. I'm doing the narration after I plan, so I can tell you that the stickers stick really well. They come off very easily. You can they are cut very well, and when you stick it on your paper and you want to make a change, you can. So you want to move it around, it's okay. It doesn't completely tear your page. I'm also going to use washi tape. Maybe I didn't, and this washi tape, and then I did use this washi tape which I got from the Works, and this washi tape, the black and white polka dot one, which I got from Greece, a shop called Plesio. So if there are any Greek planner girls in my audience, that's where I got it. So I'm using the Wild Styled Happy Planner, and the spread I'm going to decorate is the one of 27th of July until the 2nd of August. It's already August. Oh my, time flies when you have the whole COVID situation going on. Anyway, so what I did was covered the days, but I covered them in the middle, because this was not big enough. It would cover the numbers if I put it at the top. So I thought, okay, I'll put them on under the first row of boxes. And then I decided to cover the dates, as you can see, with washi tape. But that washi tape wasn't enough because you could actually see the days underneath. So what did I do? Wait for it. I'm showing you. I used washi tape on top of polka dot washi tape, so 2 washi tapes. I don't know how I feel about this in the end. I kind of like it. Not sure. There were a few edges on the side which needed covering, so my solution to that was to stick a sticker on it, and you'll see. And that's me there showing you, well, trying to show you the size of the sticker, but there you go. How pretty, and look how it's really well cut. So I used this on the edges of my sheets, and then I decided to use the decor boxes, and I used it like that. I went up and down, and then I didn't have one for the Sunday, so you'll see what I did over there. Then the washi tape at the bottom I thought is really pretty, so I got the weekend and I stuck it there at the top. Previously, in my previous spread, I lost the D, so I couldn't use the weekend. And I'm showing you the bottom with the washi tape. It's quite long, so it covers the whole page, the washi tape. And then I started adding stuff because I already know that I'm going Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I'm going to be in the Lake District. And I wanted to go to the Pencil Museum, so I've already put that in my planner. And we're leaving on the Wednesday, so I just wrote down when we're leaving. And then I added stuff that we're doing on departure day. So I added my important things for my trip. It's take my medication, disinfectant, raincoat, check my dosh, my bank details and stuff like that. Make sure I have cash in my account. And then I had another little love heart. I don't know, what am I going to add? So I added an umbrella. And then what I need to buy before the trip. So I wanted to buy some, wipes and stuff just to feel like we're cleaning as well. I'm sure they're going to have like disinfected and everything, but I don't know, I just feel a bit safer if I have something as well. And then some snacks, just in case we don't find food somewhere, so we're planning to get some noodles and stuff like that. Then I added the half boxes, and I just added what I have to do for work. And then underneath the work, because I'm only going to be working in the morning, I added important things. At the top I decorated, as you can see, and then I just added the activities, like what I want to do when I'm in the Lake District. We have some things planned, like we're going to go on a mini railway, and then we're going to go horse riding. And then I added all the clothes I wanted to take with me, so I don't forget long sleeve clothes and short sleeve clothes, and my dresses and my skirts and things like that. And I also added some more work stuff. So the top bit is work stuff, and then the bottom bit is all holiday related. And there's a top bit over there. My descriptions are amazing, I know. A top bit with more things we need to, and things we have planned to do. Like, we've already made these plans. We need to book everything, but I'm really excited. Have you been to the Lake District? I really like it. If you haven't been, you should. We're going to be staying in Coniston, and then I'm going to vlog some of it. I'm really curious about the pencil museum. I'm a stationery addict, as you can tell, and a planner girl, so I wonder, pencil museum, what that's going to be like. I think I'm going to film that and show you Thursday. Now I'm showing you what I didn't use, just in case. So this is everything I used, and then these were stickers that were left, so I'm not going to use them now. I might use them on another spread, maybe, or something. What do you do with the leftover stickers? Let me know in the comments section. I don't know. I don't know. And then I used this stapler, what's it called? Pen, marker. I like writing with markers, and I like the nib to be a bit thicker. And that's the washi tape. I'm just showing you again. So thanks so much for watching. Go and check out Katie's video and subscribe to her channel as well, and say that I sent you over. I film videos about planners and beauty videos, plus size, Greek recipes, and vlogs to Greece, whatever I can. I am at mypinkrambles on my channel, on my Instagram. I have a blog with planner with a planner section, and yeah, please subscribe to my channel, trying to grow. Thanks so much for watching. Have a lovely day, stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.